Good afternoon, chickadees. Welcome back to another day. So today I am going to have another third of the lasagna that I made and a big superfood salad. I have baby spinach, some strawberries and pomegranate, some sugar snap peas, English cucumber, grape tomatoes, some garlic stuffed olives, pickled beets and onions, and some corn nuts. So I'm going to put that together. I'm going to have Ken's Asian sesame dressing and a little Greek yogurt with the lasagna, and that will be everything. No cooking to do, it's just putting it all together and heating up the lasagna. All right, welcome back for dinner. So, going to be really quite simple. This is the seasoned salmon that I get from Sam's Club. So I have one fillet of that thawed out. I'm going to cook this in the air fryer for 12 minutes on 400. Then somebody recommended I try Succotash, which I've lived in the South so long, you would think I would have had it by now, but I haven't. But I mean, it's just tomatoes, corn, and lima beans, and I like all of those. So I think that should be good. Then I'm going to have some purple potatoes from this little potato medley. I got some asparagus spears on sale, so I'm going to have some of that. I'm just going to use some Greek yogurt with the potatoes and some of the Umami Magic seasoning with the asparagus spears and the succotash. And that's everything.